You will love the features of this 2023 Acura MDX. Luxurious, spacious, and powerful, the MDX is designed to meet the demands of your life in style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, premium sound system, satellite radio, remote engine start. Experience the superior handling of this high-performance luxury SUV. Make an appointment to drive one today.